Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one is a diamond silver metallic. Underneath it is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch 5-spoke wheels, front and rear LED daytime running lights, black MB Tex interior with a brown ash wood trim, panorama sunroof, GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, trailer hitch, set of all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, chrome door handle inserts, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, heated steering wheel controls, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, cup holders, turn wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This GLC has 8,681 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.